Oh, here we go with the TH again. Let's do this. Thorough, thorough, through, throughout, throughout. You know what, guys? All my life I've been very, very impulsive. And I didn't think things through very much. I wasn't very thorough in my assessment in difficult situations. Yeah, throughout my life, all my life I've been impulsive. I didn't think things through, and I wasn't very thorough. Am I completely different now? No, sorry. But I'm trying to improve and be more careful and assess situations better and think it through and be thorough. Yes.